we want to talk to you both about courage. Courage isn't just about being fearless. It's about trying even when something feels difficult or scary. It means choosing what's right even when it's not easy. Courage begins at home, in the way we speak, the way we forgive, the way we try again.
Courage can look gentle. It can look small. Courage is saying, "I'm sorry" when you made a mistake, or doing the right thing when no one is watching, or speaking kindly even when you feel upset. These small moments build a strong heart.
But what if I feel scared? Can I still be brave?
Sweetheart, being brave starts with feeling scared. If you weren't scared, it wouldn't be courage. Courage means moving forward step by step, even when your heart feels unsure.
I'm scared sometimes.
And that's okay, my little one. Everyone feels scared. But every time you face something small that frightens you, your courage grows bigger.
But what if I do something wrong while trying?
Mistakes don't erase courage. Mistakes teach courage. They show you what needs to change and give you another chance to do better.
What if I don't know how to start?
Start with one small step, like asking for help. Asking for help is one of the bravest things you can do.
Help me, Daddy.
Always. That's what families do. We help each other grow brave.
Another part of courage is honesty. Telling the truth, even when it's uncomfortable, shows strength. Being honest means respecting yourself and others.
Why is telling the truth scary sometimes?
Because telling the truth can feel vulnerable. You might worry someone will be upset. But truth helps you build trust, and trust holds relationships together.
Why tell truth?
Because truth helps your heart stay clear, sweetheart. When you hide things, you feel heavy inside. When you tell the truth, your heart feels light again.
But what if I did something wrong and I'm scared you'll be mad?
We may feel disappointed, but we will never love you less. Honest words help us understand what happened so we can guide you.
What if I tell the truth too late?
Then you still did the right thing. Telling the truth, even late, is better than keeping it hidden.
Mommy, I tell you everything.
Yes, my dear. You can tell me anything, anytime.
Honesty takes courage, but it also builds peace inside your heart and in our family. Courage also means understanding your feelings, even the hard ones. Anger, sadness, frustration, they're all part of life. Learning how to handle them takes bravery.
Why do feelings feel so strong sometimes?
Because your heart is learning. Big feelings help you understand yourself more deeply. With time, they become easier to manage.
I cry lots.
Crying is not weakness. Crying is your heart asking for care. You're brave every time you show us your real feelings.
But what if I yell without thinking?
Then you apologize and try again. Courage is not about getting it right every time. It's about trying again each time you fall short.
How do I stay calm?
You pause, take a breath, count slowly, think before you speak. These steps take practice, but practice creates strength.
I breathe too.
Yes, sweet girl. Breathing helps your little heart feel safe again.
And remember, courage is gentle. It helps you carry your feelings without hurting yourself or others.
Kindness is another kind of courage. Being kind when the world is kind is easy, but being kind when you're tired, frustrated, or disappointed, that takes real strength.
But what if someone is mean to me?
Then you protect your heart. You speak up, you walk away, you tell us. Kindness doesn't mean letting someone hurt you. It means choosing respect for yourself and for them.
Why I share toys?
Sharing teaches generosity. It shows you understand someone else's feelings matter too.
But what if I don't want to share?
Then you can say, I'm not ready yet. Sharing is not giving up everything, it's giving with kindness and boundaries.
What if I hurt someone by accident?
Then you apologize honestly. You fix what you can. Kindness is repairing the things we break, whether it's a toy or someone's feelings.
Why say sorry?
Because sorry helps hearts heal. It shows humility, understanding, and care.
Kindness is courage in action, gentle, strong, and steady. Mistakes are not failures. They're lessons. Courage means facing mistakes honestly and learning from them.
But what if I make the same mistake again?
Then you try again. Growth doesn't happen all at once. Sometimes it takes many tries to get things right.
Why mistake happen?
Because you're learning. Mistakes show you what needs practice. They help you grow stronger.
What if I'm embarrassed?
Embarrassment means you care about doing well. That's good. But don't let embarrassment make you hide. Let it inspire you to improve.
What if people laugh?
Then remember this, other people's reactions don't define your worth. You get to decide who you become, not them.
Daddy fix mistake too?
Yes, sweetheart, even grown-ups make mistakes. What matters is how we rise after falling.
Courage means choosing growth, even when it's uncomfortable. One day, you'll be older and facing your own challenges. Our deepest wish is that courage stays in your heart, that you stand strong, wise, and kind through everything you face.
But what if I don't know what to do?
Then you listen to your values, the ones we're teaching you now: honesty, respect, kindness, patience, and love. These will guide you when nothing else is clear.
Daddy help me.
Always, little one. Even when you grow big, I will be here to listen, to guide, to love.
Will you help me when I'm grown too?
Yes. But as you grow, our help will become gentler. We will trust you to make your own choices while standing here when you need guidance.
What if I choose wrong?
Then you choose again. Mistakes don't define you, your courage does.
Love stay.
Forever. Love doesn't fade. It follows you through every season of life.
And remember, courage begins at home, but it grows with you wherever you go. Carry it in your heart, today, tomorrow, and always.